This marketing agency had 25 employees working from home. They started missing deadlines and couldn't see why. So they installed the software Wolfeye Remote Screen to understand what was really happening. Here's what they discovered inside inside the dashboard. Hi, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and I will show you in this video what you will get when you install Wolfeye Remote Screen and what they were able to discover. So what you will get, I am showing it to you not on the dashboard of that client, but on the dashboard, on the demo dashboard, on the demo dashboard. So you will get a login to your dashboard, enter your password. The password for the demo is 12345, log in, and you will receive for each of the computers of your employees that you have installed Wolfeye, you will receive the live screen. This is a demo, so you only see a picture, so to speak, but you will receive the live screen of that particular computer. And live screen means that the screen updates every 3 seconds. It's like a screenshot updated every 3 seconds. Yeah. So this is what you get. You have the possibility. They were able to see exactly what the employees were doing in live. And not only that, they also were able to see screenshot history by right mouse clicking on the history of each of the screens of each of the computer, opening a new tab. And so they got the history, the screenshot history, made a screenshot every 5 minutes, but of course you are able to adjust this interval, and that way they were able to analyze everything that has been done on that particular computer from that particular employee. And also they were able to, for example, only monitor one specific employee by hitting the live screen button, right mouse click, here, right mouse, opening a new tab, and the live screen, it's like a screenshot updated every 3 seconds that you cannot see here because this is a demo. That's what they were, that's what they were able to see. So if you would like also to monitor what's happening on your employees' computers, come to our website. I will post the link below this video and schedule start a free trial. Book a demo with us, and in the demo we will do a Google Meet. You can book here a time where you would like to do the demo, and in that demo I will first share my screen to demonstrate the software to you. So you will be able to see on that dashboard in live my screen. That's the first thing. And if you want, if you like, we will proceed to install. I will guide you through the installation process so that we install Wolfeye on 1 or 2 computers in your company. That will make sure that you will be able to install it by yourself. It's just a few clicks, basically. It's not a big deal. And that's the first step. And the next step, of course, you will receive the link to your dashboard so that you will see the live computer screens of your employees' computer. In this screenshot that you see, it's an example, 9 computers. Okay, so schedule a Google Meet session, a demo session with me, and yes, I will be glad to hear from you.